Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you 15 tips how to handle depression. So please make sure that you don't miss out the other episodes. Notice: depression can be very dangerous. So please keep in mind that your loving family and environment would feel happy if you would look for professional help in case you are not feeling well. We wish you all the best from the bottom of our hearts. So let's get it started. 15 steps to help you overcome depression and sadness. Depression is far different from simply being unhappy and may be crippling. Unhappiness is frequently the result of something, such being turned down or not receiving the job you wanted. The feeling of depression is prevalent. It almost feels like you are in a pitch-black, dark tunnel. Hope is lost, and activities you once enjoyed become a burden. Even winning the lotto would not make someone instantly feel better, and telling someone who is miserable to get their act together is never a smart idea. Although it isn't so easy, there are strategies to reduce the signs and symptoms of depression. 6. Bide your time. Recognize that you don't have a perfectly balanced mental state. Depression makes it more difficult for us to maintain a sense of perspective since we tend to see only the bad things in everything. Gently remind yourself that your thoughts are not being heard because you are tuned into the negative channel. When depressed, it is undeniably warped. Even just thinking about it might make you feel better when things seem hopeless. It won't persist indefinitely. Keep in mind that things are continually changing and that you won't always feel this way. Do your best to take care of yourself while you wait with patience. Eat healthily and get enough sleep. Self-talk that, this too shall pass. 7. Distract yourself. Try your best, if at all possible, to avoid thinking too much. When depression strikes, your thoughts become your worst enemy. Take a walk or engage in some pet play. If you can focus, complete a puzzle or read a book. Do everything to divert your attention from your anxieties and fears. Being busy is a good approach to fight depression. 8. Use more light. Low mood is a common symptom of seasonal affective disorder, SAD, especially during the winter months when there is less sunlight. Invest in a sun lamp. A 300-watt bulb placed 3 feet away and used 3 times daily for 20 minutes can be helpful. Sleep issues, anxiety, despair, irritability, exhaustion, apathy, and a loss of libido are some of the symptoms of SAD. Using light can help with depression and many other symptoms. 9. Try cognitive therapy. Based on the idea that particular ways of thinking might cause specific health issues, such as depression, cognitive therapy can be quite effective in treating depression. Your counselor can help you understand your present thought processes and spot any erroneous or harmful beliefs you may hold that could lead to depression or exacerbate it. The goal is to alter your mental processes so that you can stop believing in these things and develop more constructive and realistic thought patterns. 10. Write in a journal. A journal has two functions. Use it to jot down your anxieties and fears. Having this kind of outlet might occasionally be calming and calming to the mind. Writing down at least 5 things each day that you are grateful for is another beneficial approach to utilize a journal. This is how I choose to use one. This compels us to think more positively and serves as a helpful reminder that things are rarely as bad as they seem. You can record anything that happened during the day that made you feel appreciative in a gratitude journal. Anything encouraging will do, whether a stranger grinning at you or the sun shining. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.